Hey there, today I will show you how to create a Google Tag Manager account. Let's see. First of all, you have to search Google Tag Manager on Google. Then you have to open this link, Google Tag Manager. It's taking time. So if you need any kind of service about Google Tag Manager, just you can ping me. I will help you, no problem. So it's loading. Right now I have too many Tag Manager for my client and for me. So here is showing, and if you don't have any account, you will see nothing here. Okay, so let's start. Create account. Then we have to put our company name here. Like if you put a company name like Daraz United States, container name. Let's give it browser container Daraz, and it will be for website. Then we'll click on create. Then I have to accept all the data processing terms. Then yes. And your Tag Manager is ready. Now what you have to do, you just need to put this code on your website header and this code on your footer. Okay, then your Tag Manager will be connected with your website. Thank you. Bye bye.